Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. This silicone-based batch tray is a great way to store your baby's purees in the freezer and pop them out when you are ready to use them. Freeze up to 12 ounces of puree. The easiest way to make a combination of flavors for baby meal prep. The baby bullet has all the power and convenience of the original magic bullet, but now you don't have to make baby's food where you make your margaritas and salsa. With the all-new baby blend blade you can make and store fresh, healthy, delicious foods that are perfect for every stage of development. Homemade baby food is not only rich in vitamins and nutrients but also tastes better than anything you'd get from a glass jar. The Wales Love multifunctional baby food processor can help you make yummy, nutritious organic infant food in a few quick minutes. It is designed with all features in one: steamer, blender, steam blend, reheating and auto cleaning, which is reliable and efficient. The Wales Love baby food maker and all the accessories are made from food grade materials, no phthalate and no lead, FDA and FCC approved. Just feel free to steam and blend fresh fruits, vegetables, and meat. Reheat prepared food for your babies whenever they need. Baby Cooksola makes up to 4.7 cups of food in a sleek, patented countertop appliance that steam cooks, blends and reheats all in one, in 15 minutes or less. Refrigerate or freeze leftovers, then simply defrost and reheat right in. Baby Cook steam cooking locks in vitamins and nutrients. A multi-purpose mixing blade provides just the right texture. The timer has an audible alert to tell you when meals are ready. And all of this with total one-handed operation. This appliance is loaded with features that make any parent a pro in baby food.